testing the closed beta of Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini, a new AI video model from Dreamina. It's designed to deliver quality that's on par with Seedance 2.0 while generating videos faster and more efficiently. So in this video, I'm going to test Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini using image references, video references, and even audio references to see if it actually lives up to the hype. Right from the homepage, you can see that Dreamina is much more than just an AI video generator. Everything is built into a single creative platform, including AI video, AI image, AI avatar, canvas, and AI audio. Instead of jumping between multiple tools to complete a project, Dreamina keeps everything inside one ecosystem. For this test, I'm heading into the AI video section and selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. One thing that immediately stands out is how clean and beginner-friendly the interface feels. You don't need advanced editing skills or complicated settings to start creating professional quality content. Inside the AI video workspace, I'm selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini from the available models. According to Dreamina, this model is designed to deliver high-quality results while keeping generation costs low and generation speed fast. For creators producing content consistently, that's a combination that can make a huge difference. Now, let's test one of the platform's most interesting features, Omni Reference. Instead of relying only on text prompts, Omni Reference allows you to combine images, videos, audio, and prompts together to guide the final generation. This gives you much more control over consistency, style, motion, and overall creative direction. For the first test, I'm uploading a reference image and creating an e-commerce style product advertisement. I also gave Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Fast a try. Both models produce very similar looking results, but Seedance 2.0 Mini is the more cost-effective choice, especially for frequent content creation. The visual quality looks impressive. The lighting, motion, atmosphere, and overall presentation feel polished enough for real marketing content. Whether you're creating promotional videos, advertisements, social media content, or product showcases, this type of workflow can save a significant amount of production time. Now, let's move to the second example. This time, I'm creating another e-commerce advertisement using a completely different product category to see how consistently the model handles commercial content. Again, the process is exactly the same. Upload the reference, enter the prompt, and click Generate. No complicated workflow, no advanced editing software, no lengthy production process. After a brief wait, the second video is ready, and here's the final output. This example demonstrates how Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini can be used for product marketing, brand campaigns, online stores, social media advertising, and commercial content creation. Instead of depending entirely on text prompts, you can guide the model using multiple forms of media at the same time. Once the generation is complete, the result feels much more intentional and controlled, which is exactly what many creators are looking for when producing professional content. Another major advantage of Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini is scalability. If you're generating content daily, speed becomes just as important as quality. Creating advertisements, social media videos, product showcases, e-commerce campaigns, and marketing assets requires a workflow that can keep up with production demands. Now let's talk about pricing. Pricing, membership plans, and promotional offers may vary depending on your region. Be sure to check the latest information directly on Dreamina when exploring available plans and benefits. What I personally like is that Dreamina isn't focused only on premium visual quality. It's focused on practical content creation. Faster generation, lower costs, multimodal references, and streamlined workflows are often more valuable than simply chasing the highest-end output. For businesses, agencies, marketers, e-commerce brands, and creators publishing content regularly, those savings can add up quickly over time. Another benefit is that everything stays inside the Dreamina ecosystem. You can generate images, create videos, experiment with concepts, and build complete creative projects without constantly switching between different platforms. Overall, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini feels focused on what creators actually need: speed, flexibility, efficiency, and reliable results. The addition of Omni Reference makes it even more powerful by allowing images, videos, audio, and prompts to work together inside a single workflow. If you'd like to try Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini for yourself, check out the link in the description, test it with your own ideas, explore Omni Reference, and see what you can create. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you would make with it and how you would use Omni Reference in your own workflow.